Hi, this is Joël Meyer. Here is a pretty flower for Valentine's Day. Take a wooden skewer, it will become the stem of the flower. To paint the stem green, take a piece of paper towel and put green paint on it. Then, rub the paper towel all around the wooden skewer. Let it dry. To make the flower, you will have to cut out hearts that are all exactly the same size. So to start, you have to create a heart pattern. Take a sheet of construction paper, fold it in half and draw a half-heart at the fold. Cut along the line and unfold. And voila, you have your heart pattern. Take a sheet of red construction paper that you fold lengthwise. Place your heart pattern at the top of the folded sheet and trace the first heart. Repeat 2 more times below. Cut out the 3 hearts through both layers of the red construction paper. You get 6 hearts. Fold each of the hearts in half. Put white glue on one of the outside faces of the folded heart and glue one face of another heart on it. Align the folded hearts exactly one over the other. Continue to glue 3 of the 4 remaining hearts in the same way. Let it dry for 2 minutes to make sure that the hearts do not slide over each other when the glue is still very wet. Put white glue in the fold of all the hearts and place the stem of the flower in the fold. Don't let the stem protrude over the hearts. Now, put white glue on the last 2 half hearts of the flower and glue the last heart in place. The stem is now trapped in the middle of the 6 hearts. The 6 hearts form a flower at the top of the stem. Take a sheet of green construction paper and fold the section in half. Trace half a leaf and cut it out. Glue the leaf along the stem. Here you have a pretty flower to give to your Valentine. Make it in red or in pink or any other color or even a combination of colors. Don't forget to subscribe to our Animaplates YouTube channel and also click on the bell to be notified when we publish new videos. To access the downloadable document, go to the Animaplates website. See you soon!